Hi children, welcome to Suchi Education and Vlogs. I am Sulochana Devi. Today we learn about second class EVS second lesson. The lesson name is Let's See, Let's Do. Today we learn about the Let's See, Let's Do. So look at the picture and talk. Look at the picture and talk. The grandfather eating food. The grandfather eating food and watching TV. Watching TV. Next, grandmother prepared the garland. The grandmother prepared the garland. The girl enjoy the flower smell. The girl enjoy the flower smell. So, the lesson about the sense organ today. We learn about the sense organ in the lesson. Let's start. So, the body parts and functions. The body parts and functions. Talk about the things and functions related to body parts. The body parts are there. How many sense organs? 5. How many sense organs? 5. First one is eyes. Eyes. First one is eyes. Look at the picture. Observe the boy. In the picture, the boy capture the pictures with the camera. With the camera and shoot the picture with the eyes. Okay. The next picture, the girl reading the book with eyes. The girl reading the book with eyes. The boy, next picture, the boy observe the kaleidoscope with eyes. Next picture, the boy watching the TV. The boy watching the TV with eyes. So, last picture, in the picture, the spectacle. The spectacle used for eyes. For eyes. Next picture, nose. Second one is nose. The boy do the meditation, yoga. The boy doing the meditation and yoga also. Yoga. In yoga, the boy uses the breathing. Breathing means nose. Breathing the air with the nose. Next, the boy in the second picture, the boy sneezing. The boy sneezing. Next one, the girl enjoy the flower smell. The girl enjoy the flower smell with the nose. Next, the girl suffering from cold. She cleaning her mucus with a kerchief. The girl suffering from cold. The girl cleaning the mucus. In the last picture, inhaler. Inhaler used to nose with nose diseases like cold, sneezing, etc. The inhaler used to nose. Next picture. See the next picture. And the next organ is ear. Organ is ear. The boy hear the words in the cell phone. The boy hear the words in the cell phone. And the next one, the two boys murmuring each other. The two boys murmuring each other with our ears. With our ears. Next one that is the speaker. Speaker is used to loud speaking, loud sounds. Use the loud sounds. Next one is headphones. You know the headphones? The headphones is used to listen the words, listen the music, listen the anything. So, we use it to headphones. Next one is stethoscope. You know the stethoscope. The stethoscope used the doctors. The doctor observed the heartbeat sound, etc. They used the stethoscope and observed the patient heartbeat sounds. Okay. Next, the girl sing a song. The girl sing a song with tongue. Next, the boy clean the tongue. The boy cleaning the tongue. Next picture, the girl eating the lollipop. They enjoy the lollipop. The girl eating the lollipop. Next one, the two boys talking each other with the tongue. Next, last picture is very juicy and mouth watering. This is ice cream. You know the ice cream. You eat the different types of ice cream. Eat the different types of ice creams with the tongue. Different ice creams, they different tastes. Okay. Next one, skin. The girl standing the back side and front side. Skin is very important for our body. Skin is protect the organs, internal organs. The skin is protect the internal organs and external cold also, cold and heat. So next picture, the one younger and elder man are sitting in the next page. Match the following. Eyes is used to see. Ears is hearing. Tongue is taste. Nose is smell. Next, tastes. Which fruit is sweet? Guava is sweet. Which fruit is sour? Tamarind is sour. Which fruit is bitter? Bitter gourd is bitter. Which fruit is umami? Umami is one type of taste. Umami. Amla is umami. Next, look at the picture and talk. The doctor observed the boy. In front of his sister. The doctor observed the boy in nose. Observe the nose. Next one. Things such as pencil, slate pencil should not be put in nose or ears. Do not roll safety pins in ears. Do not roll. You become deaf if you do so. You get diseases if put your fingers in ears or nose or rub your eyes. Eyesight becomes weak if you play such games for a long time. Look at the picture. The boy is playing the game in computer and second boy is looking the cell phone. Next one is Gilli Damdu. So these games are very dangerous for us. Next, look at the picture. Talk over a cell phone for a long time is not a good. Next, there is a risk of becoming deaf if the songs in the cell phone are heard for a long time with high volume. Look at the picture and talk. Brush your teeth daily. Clean your tongue daily. Wash your eyes Wash your eyes properly. Next, take a bath properly. Take a bath properly. Wear clean cloth. Wear a clean cloth, not dirty cloth. Next, we should do all these after getting up. We will be healthy then. We will healthy then. Look at eat us. We help your eyes. This is the carrot and leafy vegetables and fruits also. Eat us. We help your eyes. This is the carrot. In carrot, vitamin A is more in carrot. So we eat carrot also. We help your eyes. We talk the help your eyes. This is the second lesson, children. Are you understand? If you any doubt, comment the comment box. So I would like to say some words for you. Don't go outside and be safe in home. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.